Are you wondering whether it's better to rent or buy a house in 2025? With the housing market shifting, interest rates rising, and inflation affecting everything, let's break down the real pros and cons of both options. Stay tuned, because you might be surprised by what you hear. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Think and Grow Rich. If you're new here, we talk all things finance, real estate, and lifestyle to help you make smart choices for your future. In today's video, we're diving into the big question: should you rent or buy a house in 2025? Let's weigh the factors that could impact your decision this year. Pros and cons of renting. Flexibility and mobility. One of the biggest perks of renting is flexibility. If you're in a job or location where you might move in a couple of years, renting lets you do that without the hassle of selling a house. Lower upfront costs. When you rent, you avoid hefty down payments, closing costs, and other upfront expenses that come with buying a home. This can free up your money for other investments or savings. Maintenance-free living. Another major advantage is that when something breaks, you're not on the hook for repairs. The landlord takes care of that. This means fewer surprise costs that could throw off your budget. Pros and cons of buying. Building equity. When you buy a house, your mortgage payments are helping you build equity in the property. It's an investment that can pay off when you eventually sell. It's a long-term strategy for building wealth. Stability and predictability. Unlike renting, where rents can go up year after year, a fixed-rate mortgage locks in your payments, providing more stability. This is a huge factor for those looking to avoid the risk of rising rent prices. Freedom and personalization. As a homeowner, you're free to renovate and make the property your own. Want to change the kitchen, paint the walls, or put in a pool? You can do that without needing permission from a landlord. Key factors to consider in 2025. Interest rates. 2025 might see higher mortgage rates, which could make buying less affordable for some. If you're thinking about buying, lock in a rate before they climb higher. Market conditions. Depending on where you live, housing prices may either be cooling off or still rising. Research your local market trends before making a decision. Personal goals and financials. Ultimately, your financial situation and personal goals play a huge role in this decision. Do you want to plant roots, or are you just passing through? Are you financially ready for the commitment of homeownership? At the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you value flexibility and lower costs, renting might be the better option. But if you're looking to build wealth and settle down, buying could be the right choice for you. Just make sure to consider all the factors before making this big decision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips. And let us know in the comments, are you planning to rent or buy in 2025? We'd love to hear your thoughts.